Friends, now I am going to fifth problem in exercise 11.1. In a circle of radius 21 centimeters, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc. Second one is area of the sector formed by the arc. Third one is area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Okay, look in this figure. OAB is a triangle and OACB is a sector. Okay, in this problem given, radius of circle is 21 centimeters. That means OA equal to OB. First one, we find out first one. Here angle given 60 degrees. Okay. So length of arc, we know the formula. Length of arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Substitute value is theta is 60 degrees by 360 into 2 into pi means 22 by 7, r means 21. So simply this value simplification, we get value 22 centimeters. Second one, here 6 times, next 3 times, 3 sevens, 7 7 cancellation, we get 22 centimeters. Area of sector. Second one is area of sector formed by the arc equal to, we know the formula. Area of sector formed by the arc formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta means 60 degrees by 360 into pi means 22 by 7, r means 21 whole square. Here we get 60 table, 61s, 66. 2 table, 2 3s, 2 11s, 7 3s, 21. So in denominator 21, numerator 11 into 21 whole square. That means square root 21 cancellation. Here we get to 11 into 21. We get value is 231 centimeters square. Next, third one, now we find out the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Equal to area of sector OA, area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. Here area of triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. We know the formula. Area of equilateral formula is root 3 by 4 a square. Area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square. Here a means radius. So area of sector OAB value is 231 to 31 centimeter square minus area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. So here root 3 by 4 a square. A means 21 whole square. So here we get to 231 minus 21 whole square means 441 root 3 by 4. Okay. Understood? Thank you.